Welcome back. A quick and hopefully interesting video for you today. So I attended an apple harvest event, but when I arrived to the fair I was quickly distracted by this ginormous church on site, as were many others to be fair. The place was packed. I noticed they had bell tower tours going for £3, so I got myself a ticket. I will just give you a quick insight now of the interesting facts of this church, I guess, but the video is mainly aimed to give you a small insight into bell towers and views from the top on this church. It's very interesting. So this is St Matthew's, based in the beautiful Blackmore countryside, Hampshire. It is an Anglican church, consecrated in May 1869. It is a Grade 2 listed building, and it is built in the Victorian Gothic Revival style by architect Alfred Waterhouse. He is best known for the Natural History Museum and the Manchester Town Hall. So with that all being said, let me show you the bell tower.
I'm going to try.
Get up these stairs, I don't know if I'm the best.
Keep the books out. They're horrendous. Plug it in. Have we got any more? Yes, we have. Oh, she remembered that.
But she was like, it was a long time ago.
Oh, that is beautiful.
Oh my goodness. Wow.
Thank you.